So today we did another fall inspired look, but today we used the Morphe FIERNCE by Nature palette. This palette, y'all, is everything. Like, I love it. It's creamy, it's pigmented, the colors are bright, like. But if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Plouise base, and we're going to go ahead and put that all over our eyelid, and then we're going ahead and blend it out. Alright, so the first palette we're going to go into, well, the only palette we're going to go into is the Morphe, and it's FIERNCE by Nature, and the shade is Warning Label. So I'm going to go ahead and pack that into my crease, and then I'll use another shade to start blending it out. Alright, so the next shade is called Ball of Fire, guys. And we're going to go ahead and blend that and put that on the outer edges of the other shade just to blend it out so that everything is smooth. Okay, so the next shade we're going to use is Ferocious, and we're going to go ahead and put that on top of Ball of Fire, and we're going to go ahead and blend it out. And we're going to bring that shade all the way up to our brow bone. Alright, so the next shade that we're going to use is called Hypnotic, and we're going to go ahead and put that into the crease. That way we can give our crease some kind of dimension. Alright, so I'm still blending, but I do go back and forth between the three shades that I did previously put down. That way the shade Hypnotic is not too harsh, but it's still there. Okay, so I'm going to add this shade called JOLT into that crease just to darken it up just some more, and then we'll go back with the other shades to blend it out. Okay, so to cut our crease, we're going to use our old but goodie Plouise base, and we're going to go ahead and cut the crease with that. Okay, so at this point I felt like I brought my crease up too high, so I'm gonna go back and fix it and then cut it again. Alright, so this next shade we're going to take is called Temptin', and we're going to go ahead and put that in the inner corner of our eye, and then we'll use the next shade to blend the shades together. Alright, so the next shade we're going to go in with is Ball of Fire, and we'll go ahead and blend that into the shade Temptin'. You want to make sure that you go back and forth between the shades, that way everything blends and it's no harsh lines. Okay, so now we're going to go in with Red Alert, and we're going to go ahead and blend that into Ball of Fire. Alright, so I'm going to take that shade called Hypnotic, and I'm going to just do patting motions to blend it in seamlessly with the rest of the shadows. Alright, and for liner, we're going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, which y'all know this is my all-time favorite. I should try something else, but I just can't right now. I just can't. Alright, to highlight our brow bone, we're going to use the Rose Gold shade. This in the Shapeshifter by Urban Decay. And we're going to go ahead and put that on our eyebrow bone. And then we're going to use, I want to say it is FIERNCE. And we're going to go ahead and blend it in. That way, it's no lines. Alright, since everybody knows that I'm extra and I'm dramatic, so I want to use the shade Make Believe, and I'm going to just use that and run it along the wing. That way it gives it some kind of sparkle. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.